Hello friends. Welcome to Telittle. Today, I am going to show you how to create and upload your own profile picture frame on Facebook instantly. So let's get started. First of all, open Adobe Photoshop and click on Create New. Create a file with height equals 2000 pixels and width equals 2000 pixels. And remember, the background content should be transparent. Now make your own stylish frame with logo and name as your need. Here, I am showing you an example. After the frame is ready, save the file as PNG. Now open a browser and search Facebook frame. Click on this first link. Open Frame Studio. Click on the button, Upload Art. And resize the frame. Now fill up the required details. This will be the name of your frame. Click Next. Click Publish. Click OK. I already have a frame from this account, so I will not click OK. This was a demo for you. I hope this video helped you. If so, please give a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon. Have a good time.